deepest cries, when I cannot even pray because my spirit is tired. Lead me gently within, where my soul calls out to you. Let my children see strength, not the weakness inside me, so they will